Imagine a world where the money in your digital wallet suddenly holds the key to a financial transformation you've only dreamed of. What if I told you that the recent quiet tremors in Vietnam's currency, the Dong, are not an isolated event, but the first domino to fall in a global financial reset that will directly impact every single person holding Iraqi Dinar or even just using digital dollars? This isn't just another market update. This is a strategic warning and an immense opportunity. The global currency landscape is shifting beneath our feet, and most people are completely unaware of the seismic implications. The Vietnamese Dong revaluation alert is our signal, our proof, that the long-theorized chain reaction of national currency revaluations is moving from the realm of speculation into tangible reality. For years, we've been waiting for the Iraqi Dinar RV, watching the economic indicators, and parsing the political statements from Baghdad. We've endured the roller coaster of rumors and the silence of central banks. But we've been looking at the dinar in isolation, like studying a single tree and missing the entire forest that's about to catch fire. The forest is the global financial system, and the spark has just been lit in Southeast Asia. When a country like Vietnam, with its booming economy and strategic position, makes a move to strengthen its currency, it sends a shockwave through international monetary funds and forex markets. It signals a collective loss of confidence in the traditional reserve currencies and a bold step towards national economic sovereignty. This act of revaluation is a declaration that the era of weak, manipulated currencies is coming to an end, and a new era of asset-backed, strong national money is dawning. And this is precisely the environment where a currency like the Iraqi dinar, long suppressed but fundamentally backed by immense oil wealth and a desperate need for economic stability, can finally break free. Think about it logically. Iraq cannot rebuild its infrastructure, provide for its citizens, or take its rightful place on the world stage with a currency that is practically worthless internationally. The pressure for a revaluation is not just from speculators. It's an economic necessity for the nation's survival and prosperity. The Dong's move proves that such necessities are now being acted upon. So, what does this mean for your digital USD? It means the very concept of a digital dollar is about to be redefined. Right now, when you hold a digital dollar in an e-wallet or on an exchange, it's a proxy for the physical US dollar. Its value is the same. But after a global currency reset, where the dinar and other currencies revalue dramatically, the dynamics of conversion change forever. Your digital dollars will become your most powerful tool for navigating this new landscape, but only if you know the hacks to use them effectively. The old methods of wiring money through banks, with their delays, fees, and scrutiny, will become your biggest liability. The future is instant, borderless, and digital. The hackers, the ones who will prosper immensely, are those who have already positioned their assets in the digital realm and understand the platforms, the timing, and the strategies to convert newly powerful currencies into other forms of value without losing a significant percentage to the system. This is the critical junction where global currency news meets personal financial strategy. The Dong is the alert, the dinar is the opportunity, and your digital wallet is the vehicle. Ignoring this connection is the single biggest mistake an investor can make right now. Let's dive deep into the mechanics of this impending shift and outline the first crucial hacks you must implement immediately. The primary hack isn't a specific app or a secret website, it's a mindset shift. You must start thinking of your digital USD not as a static asset, but as a highly mobile, strategic reserve. Its current value is secondary to its future utility as a medium of exchange in a volatile, transitional period. When the RV news breaks, chaos will ensue in the forex markets. Banks will be overwhelmed, and physical exchange houses will impose limits and offer unfavorable rates. The digital space, however, operates 24/7 and can facilitate peer-to-peer transactions that bypass traditional gatekeepers. Your first actionable step is to ensure you are verified on multiple reputable digital finance platforms. This includes not just mainstream apps like PayPal, but more importantly, global cryptocurrency exchanges that offer direct fiat gateways. Think Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and others that allow you to deposit USD and trade for various assets. Why is this a hack? Because these platforms often list a wider range of fiat currencies or have peer-to-peer markets where you can deal directly with individuals in other countries. The moment liquidity for the new dinar rate appears, these P2P markets will be the first to reflect true market demand, often before traditional banks can update their systems. Your digital dollars on these platforms give you immediate access to this liquidity. The second hack involves understanding the bridge assets, primarily stablecoins. Stablecoins like USDT Tether or USDC USD Coin are digital tokens pegged 1:1 to the US dollar and live on blockchain networks. They are the perfect vehicle for this transition. Once you have digital USD on an exchange, you can convert it instantly into a stable coin. This stable coin then becomes a universal, borderless dollar that can be sent anywhere in the world in minutes for minimal fees to any wallet address. This is your escape hatch from the slow, nationalized banking system. You could, in theory, use this stable coin on a decentralized finance platform that offers currency trading, or you could use it in a P2P deal with a counterparty in the Middle East who has access to the newly revalued dinar and wants to acquire digital dollars. This process is faster, more private, and more efficient than any bank wire. The third hack is about intelligence and timing. You must set up alerts and monitor specific pairs on these digital platforms. Don't just wait for the RV news on TV. Set up price alerts for IQD/USD or IQD/USDT if they become available. Follow the forums and social media channels of these exchanges, as they are often the first to announce the listing of a new currency pair. Your goal is to be in a position to act within minutes, not days. This requires having your funds already on the platform, already converted into a mobile digital dollar equivalent like a stable coin. The final hack in your pre-conversion strategy is security. The digital world is powerful but also attracts bad actors. You must enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts, use hard wallets for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency, and never share your private keys or passwords. Losing your digital asset reserve to a scammer would be a catastrophic failure. This preparation phase is boring but absolutely critical. It's the logistical work that an army does before a battle. The battle for your financial freedom will be won or lost in these quiet moments of preparation, by setting up the systems that will allow you to move with speed and precision when the world is just starting to panic and figure out what's going on. Now, let's project forward into the post-revaluation world and discuss the advanced conversion hacks and the long-term strategic moves that will lock in your gains and protect your newfound wealth. The moment the RV is confirmed and the new rate is live, the initial wave of emotion will be euphoria. But for the savvy investor, this is the most dangerous period. This is when mistakes are made. The first and most important rule is, do not convert all of your holdings at once. The initial rate offered on digital P2P platforms might be volatile. It could spike incredibly high as demand outstrips supply, then correct downwards as more sellers come to market. Your strategy should be to ladder your conversions. Set predefined percentages of your holding to be converted at specific price targets. For example, convert 10% of your holding as soon as a legitimate rate appears, another 20% if the price rises by 10%, and so on. This disciplined approach ensures you capture profit at various levels and avoid the pitfall of waiting for a peak that may never come or selling everything at the first available price. The second advanced hack involves currency diversification. Converting your dinar back into digital USD is only one option. The real power move is to use your newly acquired digital dollar strength to build a diversified, inflation-resistant portfolio. Think beyond the dollar. Use your digital dollars on a global exchange to buy other strong, asset-backed currencies that may also be revaluing, or to buy tangible assets like digital gold tokens, PXG for example, or even Bitcoin, which is often considered digital gold. The goal is to avoid having all your wealth tied to a single currency, especially one with its own debt and inflation problems. The third and perhaps most crucial hack is the exit strategy from the digital realm into real-world assets and banking. While digital platforms are perfect for the initial conversion, you will likely want to move a portion of your wealth back into the traditional system for purchasing real estate, making investments, or simply for security. This is where knowing international banking protocols is key. Research private banks in stable jurisdictions like Switzerland, Singapore, or the UAE that offer multi-currency accounts. Open a relationship with them now if possible. When you have a significant digital dollar balance, you can use services that wire funds from your crypto exchange directly to your international bank account. This process, known as a fiat off-ramp, is well established but requires prior banking relationships to be seamless. The fees are worth it for the security and accessibility it provides. Furthermore, consider the tax implications. A windfall from a currency revaluation is likely taxable income. The digital trail on exchanges makes everything transparent to tax authorities. The hack here is not to evade but to be prepared. Consult with an international tax advisor before the event to understand your liabilities and create a legal structure to minimize your tax burden. This is not about hiding wealth, it's about intelligent wealth management. Finally, remember the ultimate goal: financial freedom and legacy. This entire process, from the Dong alert to the Dinar RV to the digital conversions, is a means to an end. The real hack is having the discipline to use this opportunity to secure your family's future for generations. Don't get lost in the excitement of the conversion process itself. Have a clear plan for what you want to achieve with this wealth. Is it debt freedom? Philanthropy? Investment in a business? Keeping that end goal in sight will guide every decision you make, preventing you from making impulsive, emotional choices in a hypervolatile environment. The global financial reset is not a myth. It is a process, and we are now witnessing its early stages. You have been given a roadmap and the tools. The rest is up to you. If this information has opened your eyes to the immense possibilities that are now on the horizon, then you need to take one simple, immediate action. Do not let this video be just another piece of information you consume and forget. Your financial future is literally on the line. Click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now, because what I will be sharing in the coming days and weeks is the most time-sensitive, critical analysis you will find anywhere on this topic. I will be breaking down the specific digital platforms, the exact step-by-step processes for P2P conversion, and interviewing experts on international banking and tax strategy. You will not want to miss a single update. This is your chance to be on the right side of financial history. Subscribe now and let's navigate this new world together.